There are onions, bell peppers, there's green apple over here and in abundance.
ওই লুকটা হয়নি, আর একটু ইয়ে হবে। হ্যাঁ,
তুই ততক্ষণ এটা ছবি তুলে দে, আমি এটা করে দিই, আমাকে ভিডিওটা একবার দেখো।
উল্টো খুলেছো এটা।
I've been eating outside for a continuous time, like you've been checking out the vlogs which you've been doing. So finally I thought this week I'm going to be trying out something mellow, something homely if possible. Hi, this is your host Shahbaz Zaman, and today I'm going to introduce to you a new delivery and takeaway joint. It's called KJ Khai, and it is a healthy as well as an affordable replacement for your and my favorite junk food. Let's take a look. Finally, we've got our stuff, our parcels from KJ Khai. Let's check them out. Right, I have the first wrap with me. I'm going to start off with a vegetarian one, a paneer wrap, because I've promised you guys I'm going to include more vegetarian in my Hickory vlog. So this wrap is priced at 70 rupees and it is 100 grams. So it's a pretty good deal, as you would know already. Let's give it a bite. This is filled to the brim, alright? The stuffing is humongous. It's pretty heavy. And the coating, the bread, is not too stuffy, it's not too thick. So it is very easy when you're taking a bite, it's not very chewy at all. Healthy option, affordable, what else do you need? We've tried the first one. We have a host of non-vegetarian items for our non-vegetarian viewers. So let's take them upstairs and we'll give them a try. Alright, the first two non-veg items which we have, one is a chicken karima and the other is some drumsticks. Let's start eating, shall we? A lot of chicken as well as a lot of vegetables which you'll find over here. I can see peas, tomatoes, carrots with some rice in the bottom. All of these vegetables are mounted on top. So it has everything over here, right? I can even see mushrooms. So next, let's try out the wings. Truth be told, this is turned cold, so I'm not enjoying it as much, but it has been marinated very well. So make sure that you have this piping hot, alright? You're gonna enjoy it a little more. Next two items, we have a dim durust rice bowl as well as a pepper chicken salad. Let's start with the rice bowl again. Now this is a mixture of egg, which is boiled. Then you have your potatoes, there are carrots, there's cheese in this, there's onion, and of course rice. Let's dig in. It has a lot of dressing with a lot of sauces. So this is quite moist. And this entire thing, this heavy thing, is priced at 70 rupees only. Next up, we are having the pepper chicken salad. Now this too has everything, but it's shredded. It's pretty fresh, the vegetables used over here. Now this does not have a lot of dressing, but it's crunchy and fresh. Alright, so the next item is a chicken bahar wrap. Now this time around I'll be careful and I'll rip it open straight. So this is the wrap, priced at 110 rupees, be it a wrap or a bowl. Now this too is filled with chicken, salads, cheese. The chicken inside is slow cooked. Alright, it's pretty soft, juicy. The chunks of chicken which you see inside, tastes phenomenal. Next up, the penultimate item, some Baku fried chicken wings. Alright, now these are homemade chicken wings, shallow fried, 5 pieces at 130 rupees. Pieces are very small, so that's a little disappointing. But what matters is the taste. So let's give this one a try. It's not overly spicy. I think it has a barbecue essence. I think it's made of homemade barbecue sauce. So it's pretty juicy, not over fried, overcooked like you would expect from a healthy joint. When you're eating it, you will not understand that this is got the healthy essence because it tastes really good. So barring the size, I think 130 rupees for 5 pieces is a pretty good deal. We started off with a vegetarian item, we were ending with one. So we have a chickpea salad over here, which is filled, if there ever was one, it's filled with, I can see chickpeas, there are onions, bell peppers, there's green apple over here and in abundance. Now I don't know how much of this would be repeated for everyone. That's something which you all need to order and let me know in the comment section how you've been satisfied. But truth be told, if this is what is offered to everyone and if this is priced at 70 rupees as it is, I think it's unbelievable. So they'll need to maintain this for sure. It shouldn't be that it's only given to me or us. So even if the owners are watching this video, please you'll need to ensure that this is given to everyone. And if it is, then there's nothing stopping you from perhaps being bombarded with a lot of orders. Anyway, let me just take a bite. The chickpeas are boiled. Once again, this is well dressed, and the green apple is adding a different flavor altogether. The crunchiness, the juiciness is just giving a different texture as well as flavor to this entire salad. So that was our experience with KJ Khai. This is the new delivery and takeaway joint at Kojba. Anyone who's watched this video, I think it'll be very difficult for you to resist from ordering at least once, so you should give it a try. In case you do give it a try, let me know in the comment section how your experience was. I really found this healthy joint and affordable joint true to its words. So remaining is you will have to order and see whether they're sticking to that or not. So do let me know in the comment section how this particular vlog was, if you want me to do more healthy options as well. Until next time, this is Foodspa wrapping up from my home at Rajarhat. Cheers. এবার আগে খুলে দেখিন
আপনি একা একাই খাবেন
হচ্ছে না ওই লুকটা হয়নি আর একটু ইয়ে হবে হ্যাঁ
তুই ততক্ষণ এটা ছবি তুলে দে আমি এটা করে দিই আমাকে ভিডিওটা একবার দেখো
উল্টো খুলেছো এটা
যা
খাও ওই খাবারটা খাও নিচু হয়ে টেবিলের থেকে কিছু খাবারটা তোলার অ্যাক্টিং কর না রে ভাই হ্যাঁ